Adapter specs. This adapter consists of RJ45 Female-to-Female Coupler with a short RJ45 to RJ11 cable. Cable. RJ45 male, 8P4C, to RJ11, 6P4C, male phone cable. Straight-through wiring pinout RJ11, 2, 3, 4, 5 to RJ45, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cable length 2.5 inch. Conductor size 26 Aruban florins. Conductor material pure copper core. Contacts 50 micron thick gold plating. RoHS certified. Made in USA. Coupler 2 female 8P8C sockets. Housing ABS. Current rating 1.5A. Contacts gold-plated 4x thicker than others. Internal wiring 24 Aruban florins copper. RoHS certified. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised. Delivered within a day and worked as stated. That I ordered the right item. They helped solve a problem with the broadband. Signal comes over the phone line. To get it to work with my Netgear modem, I used the RJ11 to RJ45 to make the connection. Ease of use. Did exactly what we needed. Easy install.